In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Fresno. We'll be using the official Fresno online payment system, and the process is fairly straightforward once you know where to click. As you follow along, it's a good idea to have your case number or ticket number ready before you begin, since you'll need it to look up your information quickly. Start by going to the Fresno payment website at fresno.epayit.com. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site. This helps you avoid unofficial payment pages and makes sure your payment is submitted through the proper court system. When you're on the site, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Online Payments. This area contains the payment options you'll need. If you don't see it right away, just continue scrolling slowly until it appears. Next, click on the Pay Traffic Fine page. This will take you to the section specifically designed for traffic-related payments, which is where you want to be if you're paying a traffic ticket in Fresno. On the next tab or page, click Pay Your Traffic Ticket. This option will direct you into the actual payment portal where you can search for your citation or case. If a new page opens, just wait for it to fully load before moving on. Once you're in the payment portal, click Find Your Case. This is the step that begins the case lookup process. From here, the system will ask you to enter your case details so it can locate the correct ticket. Now enter your case number or ticket number in the search field. Be careful to type it exactly as it appears on your paperwork. Double check for any missing digits or extra spaces because even a small typo can prevent the system from finding your case. After entering the number, click Search. The system will then look up your case information. Depending on the website speed, this may take a few seconds, so give it a moment to load. Once your case appears, follow the prompts to continue to payment. At this stage, you'll typically review the case details, confirm that everything matches your ticket, and proceed through the payment screens until the transaction is completed. Take your time here and read each page carefully so you don't miss anything important. After you finish, it's a smart idea to save or print your confirmation for your records. That way, you'll have proof of payment if you ever need it later. And that's how to pay a traffic ticket online in Fresno.